Ever wondered where your hard-earned money goes when you invest with Raiz? Sure, you're growing your wealth, but at what cost? Let's dive into the often overlooked world of Raiz fees. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's clear something up. Investing is rarely free. There's always a cost, whether it's explicit fees or implicit ones like opportunity costs. But when it comes to Raiz, how much are we really talking about? Imagine this: you've been diligently rounding up your spare change, investing it with Raiz, and watching your portfolio grow. But somewhere in the back of your mind, a question lingers: am I paying too much? It's a valid concern. So, let's break it down. Raiz primarily has two types of fees: the management fee and the platform fee. The management fee is essentially the cost of Raiz managing your investments. It's a percentage of your total investment balance. Now, here's the kicker: this fee can vary depending on how much you have invested. The more you invest, generally, the lower the fee. It's like a loyalty program, but for your money. But wait, there's more. The platform fee is a flat monthly charge. It's like a subscription box, but for your investments. This fee covers the cost of using the Raiz platform, including the app, website, and customer support. It's a fixed amount, regardless of how much you have invested. Now, you might be thinking, okay, so what's the total cost? Well, that depends. It depends on how much you invest, how long you invest for, and which Raiz plan you're on. There are different plans with varying fee structures. So, it's essential to do your own math or use Raiz fee calculator to get a precise figure. But let's talk about something often overlooked: the opportunity cost. Every dollar spent on fees is a dollar not working for you in the market. It's like leaving money on the table. While Raiz fees are generally considered competitive, it's crucial to weigh them against the potential returns. So, is it worth it? Well, that's a personal decision. If you value convenience, automation, and access to diversified investments, Raiz might be a good fit. But if you're a seasoned investor looking to squeeze every last cent out of your returns, you might consider other options. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Small fees can add up over time. So, while Raiz might be a great starting point for many, it's essential to regularly review your investment strategy and consider if there are better options out there. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.